Hi koutou. Ko Riley. Ahau. I am Riley.
And Morena Winton School. Ko Lucy. Ahau. I am Lucy. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapare, the 16th of June.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is norhor, which is te reo for sit, stay or live.
As in kei tepu na tamariki e norhor ana. The children are sitting at the table.
Ka pai, that's norhor, which is te reo for sit, stay or live.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Whare-puka-puka panui. Library news.
Te whare-puka-puka is open today from 12:45 for returns, browsing and issues.
It's toasty and the books are tasty.
Okay, tomorrow is Ramire and it's my favourite Ra or Te Wiki because it's Sausage SIZZLE.
Get your stamps in the library for your hot chocolates and sausages from 8:30 koutou. Correct money please.
Remember to keep your $1 coins for cookies that will be on sale by the barbecue at lunchtime.
Cookie sales help fund the Year 8 Deep Cove camp.
What a great combo, cookies and hot chocolate, especially it will be cold out there tomorrow.
Problem solving team. You have a get together today at 12:45 in the group room. Kia ora.
Now if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
ICAS news. All ICAS spellers please meet in the group room at 11:20 with a sharpened pencil and an eraser. Good luck, Kendrick.
No birthdays at Winton School today, but on this day in 1971, Tupac was born.
And if he was still alive, he'd be 45 today.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite pupu. See you tomorrow.
Kia kaha to all the runners at Southland Cross Country tomorrow. Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, Winton School.